You are currently in your personal client portal. On the left, you will see a navigation menu. Below the heading Document Libraries, you will see a library entitled Legal Documents. You can use this library to store electronic copies of legal documents important to you. You can upload documents by simply dragging them into the library. If you want more or less of these libraries, please let us know. Below that link is a link to access online time recording. This takes you to our online time recording system where you can see how much time we have taken on one of your case files. You will need a separate login to access this. If you want to access the time spent on a case file, please let us know and we'll set you up with a login. Ignore the links under admin. Below that is a list of all the case files we have set up for you. If you click on the name of the case file, it will take you to that case file. The case file portal also has a navigation pane to the left, but with different document libraries. Client advice instructions. These are the instructions you give us or the advice or opinions that we give you. Client documents. These are the documents you provide us relating to the case file. Correspondence. These are the letters and emails with third parties relating to your case file. Court documents. These are the court documents relating to your case file. And finally, draft documents. These are the draft documents which we either prepare for you to use or use for our own purpose. You'll also see a link to Access Secret Library. This is our paid subscription service for access to online documents. If you want a subscription to this, please let us know. You will see to the right of the navigation menu is a list of the most recently uploaded or modified documents. This enables you to see what has been added to your file easily. You'll also see a calendar, which is for recording important dates in relation to the case file, for example, court dates and such like. Both the client portal and the case file portal contain a search function to allow you to find documents easily. The search function searches the text of documents as well as the titles or any metadata, and so it's very powerful. It is recommended that you search using the search box in the client portal in order to widen your search across all your case files. A search conducted in the case file portal will only search that case file. If you have any questions about how your digital file works, then please don't hesitate to use the Contact Us link at the bottom.